Now we see the definition of linkers. As we know that linkers are words that combine two words. We have already know that. Linkers are words that combine two words, phrases or sentences and show the relationship between ideas. Now what is the meaning of this definition? We already know linkers are words. Okay, means linkers are words. But how can we identify them? We can identify it if a word link to word. Okay, so we take a simple example. Here, me, you. There are two words, but me, you is not a. But we can't use this me, you directly. We have need another word to link them, and the word that link me, you is and. Me and you. Okay. It means here and is the linker that link me, you. So now it is clear. Linkers are words that combine or that link. Combine, we are using the word combine because link can be also known as combine, also known as connect. We can also we can also say that join. Okay, many of word we can use. So linkers, this and is a type of linkers. Okay, this is the word and this word join or combine or link two word. Okay, this and is linker and this linker link to word. Without using of linker we can't complete a sentence. Okay, in some cases. Now the second is linkers combine two sentences. Two sentences, how they combine two sentences? If we write I stayed at home because it was raining. Because it was raining. Students, here two things are hidden. First, linkers combine two sentences, and second, they show the relationship between ideas. What is the meaning of ideas? Idea, it means simply it means thought. And what is the thought? Thought that thought, it means that we think. Okay, and we think and after then we speak or after then we write. Okay, so if we want to communicate or if we want to express something, then we have to represent our ideas, then we have to represent our thought. Okay, suppose I said that I stayed at home, but I have to also give a reason why I stayed at home. Okay, why did I stay at home? So I stayed at home because it was raining. Here two ideas have hidden. Okay, I stayed at home because it was raining. It means due to rain I stayed at home. So first sentence is I stayed at home and the second sentence is it was raining, and these two sentences connected or linked by because. So this because is what? Linker. Okay, because this linker combine two sentence. Okay, now what is the meaning of phrase? Because we in the definition we are looking that linkers also combine phrases. Now we take an example. First we will know that meaning of phrase. Phrase is we can say that phrase is a small unit of a sentence or it is a short part of a sentence. So if there is a sentence, the book was on the table. So on the table this is the phrase. Okay, it means this is the part of a sentence, but it is not complete sentence. Okay, so the part of sentence is called phrase, and we use on. Okay, we use on, and this on act as linker. Okay, now linkers are very important for written and spoken English. Okay, it is very important both for written and spoken English. It means when we talk or when we communicate with others, then we have to express our thoughts, or our ideas very clearly. So if we don't use of these linkers, then we can't communicate in a very effective way. So for effective speaking or effective writing, linkers are used. Now we see some examples of linkers. We had to wait because it was raining. So now you can guess that which word act as a linker, because this word connect or link to sentence. So now it is clear, and by in this way we can identify that what is the meaning of linkers. Okay. There are also some listed words like but, so, although, at the same time, such as, for example, in the end, when, after, before that, as, finally, etc. These are some example of linkers. Students, one thing you have to remember, I said that linkers are words. Okay, linkers are words. And we know words are made up of by letter, but sometimes linkers may contain one word, maybe contain two word, or maybe contain three word, but it does not make a sentence. Okay, it is used in a sentence, it is used in a phrases. Okay, a part of sentence, it is used in a part of sentence, but it is linkers are not called as sentence. Okay, clear? Now, why linkers are used? Why linkers are used? What are the use of linkers? Linkers give direction to the writer. Means, if we want to express our idea, our thought, then it give us direction that how we have to write. Okay, how can we write, or how can we express? So linkers give direction to the writer. Next, linkers are used to give the reader through his thoughts. It means linkers are used to give the reader through his thoughts. It means what we take idea from an article, it depends on the linkers, because if someone do not use them, then we can't able to understand that what they are trying to say. Okay, and the third is linkers make the meaning specific. It means we can express anything in a general way, but sometimes there is need to express in a specific way, in a special way, and that time linkers helps us. And the fourth is linkers helps us listing fact chronologically. It means if we want to correlate past to future, then these linkers help us. It means we can't correlate our past to our present, or our past to our future, without using of these linkers. In the same way, linkers helps in the linking of events time comparing and contrasting sketches. So if we talk about any things that can be linked, they all are related to our thoughts, related to our ideas, because language always help us to communicate with others, to express our feelings to other. Okay, so all things are related to ideas. In the next video we will learn that how will we identify the